Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave's Wreaths and Things. Alright, so for today I am continuing my series of the base wreath tutorials. Today's method is the Woodland Ruffle method, otherwise known as the Cruffle method. So we have a little bit of the curly method, a little bit of the ruffle method. You mix those two together and you come out with the Woodland Ruffle method, otherwise known as the Cruffle method. Why don't I just get started and I'll show you how I put it all together. And I am using an 18-inch wire wreath frame today, 10-inch Deco Polymesh in black, and a black and white checkered 10-inch Deco Mesh. And I'm going to be using black pipe cleaners as well. To start off, I'm going to create a working wreath form with pipe cleaner stems. And I'm going to be using that one crossbar and the outmost wire. And what I'm going to be doing is adding a little bit of glue down just to keep that stem right in place. And once I do that, I'm just going to twist it around a couple of times and make sure it's nice and glued and secured in spot. And then I'm going to come right in between those two crossbars, put another little dab of glue down. I'm going to grab another full pipe cleaner, wrap that around the outside wire, and then I'm just going to twist that in place. And again, I'm going to do the same thing at that next crossbar and outer wire, and I'm just going to twist it around with that glue, and I'm going to work all the way on the outside, going at the crossbars and then in between those crossbars. When I'm finished with the outside, I'm going to come into the inside and I'm going to go in between the two outside ones. And I'm going to be working with the two inside wires. And I'm just going to wrap that pipe cleaner around those two wires, give it a couple of really good twists. You only need to twist it about 2 or 3 times. And then I like to add a little dab of glue on each side just to make sure that it's nice and settled in its place and doesn't move around. Again, I'm going to add a couple of more right in between those two existing outside stems, twisting them in place, adding a little bit of glue so they don't go anywhere and they don't move around on me. And I'm going to continue on doing that second inner row until I have everything all set in place and my working wreath form is all complete and ready for our deco mesh. So we have our inside and then we have our outside stems as well. And we're all ready for that deco mesh. Here we are. I am going to be cutting each piece of deco mesh. So that's the black and white and the black at 30 inches. So here I'm just using my rotary cutter. If you don't have a rotary cutter, you can totally use a pair of scissors. That's totally fine. And I'm going to be cutting these pieces again at 30 inches. So right now I'm just cutting my black and white deco mesh, and then I'm going to follow through and cut my black deco mesh at the 30 inches as well. And I just continue doing that until I have the amounts that I need. So we're working on the Woodland Ruffle base. It's an 18-inch wire wreath frame with 24 pipe cleaner stems. So deco mesh in black, 24 pieces at 30 inches, and I used 2 rolls, 10 inches by 10 yards. And the checkered, I used 8 pieces at 30 inches, and I used almost 2 rolls. They're 9.5 by 19 feet. So those are the numbers that I'm using for this wreath today. If you have these clips or clothespins handy, I would keep a couple handy. They work really well as a third hand today. And we're going to start off with our woodland or cruffle method. And what I usually do is I have the deco mesh laying down curl side up. And then what we're going to do is right at the bottom there, I'm just going to create a little curl. So I'm just looping it or rolling it in on itself a couple of times, about 2 or 3 times. And then I'm going to add the clothespin just to hold it in place. Let's flip this around so our loop that we just created is at the top. And now we're going to create a loop or curl right at the bottom as well. So you're just folding it into itself, rolling it up a couple of times. And now here I'm going to anchor my thumbs and then I'm going to walk my fingers right down the middle of our deco mesh. And this is going to create your ruffle on the inside. So for this method, we have a loop, a cruffle, and then another loop or curl at the end. And you just come right to the end. I'm going to take that clothespin off, grasp it firmly in my fingers, and you can see there we have a loop on each end and then our ruffle right in the middle. So it looks like a really fancy bow tie. And all we're going to do with this, open up our outside pipe cleaners, place that right in the middle, and then with those two stems, you're just going to wrap it around and give it a couple of really good twists so it's nice and secure and in place. And then we just keep moving along. I've added 2 of the black, and what I'm going to do for every third stem is I'm going to do a combination of the black and white checkered and the plain black deco mesh. So right here, I'm just laying it together. I'm going to add a little clip so it doesn't move on me, and then I'm just going to lay the rest of that deco mesh together. And then we do another ruffle or woodland ruffle, cruffle method, whatever you want to call it, where I loop it at the bottom, give it a couple of good turns. I'm going to take that clip and then I'm going to flip it around and add my second loop at the other end. So again, flipping it over, creating a little bit of a roll, and then give it a couple of good rolls there. Once you've got your rolls done, anchor those thumbs, and then walk right down the middle of that deco mesh, creating your ruffle. And you do this all the way until the loop or curl meets your fingers. We're going to take that clip off, and then again, we've created those 2 loops with the ruffle in the center. And we're going to do the exact same thing and just attach it to our stems on the outside. For this wreath, I'm doing 2 solid, and then I'm doing 1 combination of the black and white, checkered, and the plain black. Now you can choose any color that you want. I'm just continuing here with my same pattern. And once the outside's all full like you see here, so I've got the 2 solid and then the 1 checkered. Now I'm just going to move on into the inside, and we're going to follow the exact same procedure we did before, or method that we did before. So we're looping it at the bottom, placing that clamp, spinning it around. I like to use rocks or something heavy to hold everything in place. These rocks, my sister-in-law Mary actually created them for me, and I love using them for stuff like this. Once we're done with our cruffle or our woodland ruffle, we just place it right in between those 2 stems on the inside and give it a couple of good twists. And I just continue on going with my pattern of the 2 solids and then adding a little bit of interest with that deco mesh that is the black and white checkered. So I just continue on working in the center until it's nice and full. Working on my last one here, I'm about to place it onto the wreath, and already you can see how full this is. So you have the black, then you have the black and white checkered, which adds a little bit of interest. And I just love this method because I love the ruffles and I love the loops. They just look so good, and they fill it up as well. You can see here that I do have pipe cleaners every now and then. And I didn't cut the stems off, but if you want, you can just cut those off. If you're not going to add any ribbons, you take your scissors and just cut them down. But I'm going to be doing a continuation or a part 2 of this video where I show how I decorate this wreath. But here you are, the Woodland Ruffle or Cruffle base tutorial wreath. Next time on my channel, I'm going to show you how I put this all together and decorated our Woodland Ruffle. So hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload that new video, which will be in a couple of days, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's Woodland Ruffle wreath tutorial. I know I had a lot of fun making it. Take care. Bye for now.